What's going on, everybody? It's your boy RNG Crypto here with you for another video. We're giving you a hot update, guys. Get ready. We're talking about Pacific DeFi, we're talking about Happy Fans, and we're going to be talking about BocaChica, which is coming up with a new IDO that has both a Happy and a USDT round, guys. But before we get started, let me make sure I hit you with the disclaimer, guys. I am not a financial advisor. Anything I say or do is not going to be financial advice. Please make sure you're always doing your own due diligence and research before investing any money. With that said, let's hop into Bitcoin. And I've already had some drawings here, but what I wanted to get to, guys, is the fact that Bitcoin has hit resistance at around 67,000, and we are on our way down now on the first line of support, which is around 57,000. We are not yet there. It looks like we may not even go down this far, but worst case, we get there. And there's even a bigger worst case, guys, and that is if we don't hit support here, right, based off of the previous resistance here, right? So this should be also a support level that we should be testing. If we don't hit support there, guys, the next worst thing that's going to happen is we may fall back all the way down to 50,000, guys. Either way, we're in good shape in the long run, but this is just a short-term sort of information that you can take and make decisions based off of, because if things dip down to here, now we're talking altcoins may hurt a little bit. But if we bounce off here, we should be okay in terms of altcoins, because Bitcoin is holding its value. Altcoins are going to continue to hold their value. People are going to keep taking profits off of Bitcoin and going into altcoins. So guys, with that said, also want to make you aware, guys, we are in a greedy sentiment, right? It's getting to 73, which is much higher than what it's been in the past. So guys, be aware that the market is currently pretty greedy. So when things are greedy, you want to be fearful, right? When everyone is fearful, that's when you want to be greedy, right? When everyone's selling off, and Bitcoin's dumping, that's when you want to start buying. When everything's pumping, you want to start thinking about maybe I should sell, or at least look at developing an exit strategy, guys. Next, Pacific DeFi. I just want to talk about my yield up to date, guys. 48 bucks, not bad, guys, on about a daily. So that's a pretty decent income right now, and there's still a lot of room in this pool, guys. Total liquidity on here is already at 5 million. This is not yet filled up completely, guys. So look at the daily ROI. I'm getting 20%. So this is really good numbers, but because people are not staking liquidity, I think it's because you guys are not certain how to do it, or you're not completely sure. I would recommend watching my video on this again. It's a pretty simple process, because if you have 5,000 divided in two, take 2,500 Pacific, 2,500 BNB, and that's how you would do that. But basically, guys, it is the only risk involved here is in fact going to be the risk of having impermanent loss. If you don't know what that is, look at Investopedia or Google it. Impermanent loss, guys. There is a risk of that, so you have to be aware of that. And again, as I said always, this is a high risk investment. This is a very low market cap, but if things go right, then this thing's going to take flight. That's what it comes down to, guys. But finally, I'm going to leave you with BocaChica. BocaChica is coming up with a new IDO coming up here in about 11 and 12 days, guys. So first round is coming up in 11 days will be the USDT round. This is the round where you actually need to be staking Solana on your Solana wallet, which I recommend you use Phantom. But you want to make sure you stake Solana in the staking pools. You can do it right out of the Solana wallet. You can literally do it in the Phantom wallet. You stake Solana and you receive Sol Power, and Sol Power is what you will use to actually be able to allocate your USDT, right? So that's the only limitation there, but it's a very easy one to get around. It's not like a KYC that you can't pass. Guys, the other one coming up in 12 days is the Happy round. And this one, you just need Happy on the Solana bridge, on the Solana blockchain, guys. I made a video on how to buy the Happy and actually bridge it over. Go and check it out, guys. I'll try and link it here in the description as well, guys. But that's it, guys. That's all I wanted to say, guys. I want to update you on what's going on in the market. Make sure that again you're aware of what Bitcoin's doing. Keep your hand on the pulse at all times. That's it for me. I'm out, guys. See you guys in the next video. Peace.